Okay, here we are again, busting 2017 Donruss Baseball. 3 boxes. This is break number 2. Good luck, everybody. Retro, Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Short print, Diamond Kings. Oh, blueback. Jonathan Villar for the Brewers. The prospects, Eloy Jimenez for Chicago. I think for the Cubs. Retro, Todd Frazier for the White Sox. Eric Hosmer for the Royals. And we got a rated rookie short print, Manuel Margot for the Padres. We got a pink back, Rougned Odor retro for the Rangers. Retro Eddie Murray for the Orioles. And we have an Anthony Rizzo short print variation for the Cubs. Rougned Odor retro for the Rangers. Madison Bumgarner retro for the Giants. We got another short print variation, Diamond King short print, Jonathan Villar for the Brewers. Alademis Diaz, promising pros relic for the Cardinals. Corey Seager retro for the Dodgers. No short prints. Harmon Killebrew retro for the Twins. Francisco Lindor retro for the Indians. The prospects, Corey Ray for the Brewers. And we got a season stat line, Corey Seager, number 308 for the Dodgers. Nice and shiny. Retro, Daniel Murphy for the Nationals. Mike Trout, short print, Diamond Kings for the Angels. We got an all-star. Who is that? Oh, Madison. Oh no, it's Chris Sale. Gold all-star number 16 of 99 for the White Sox. Diamond King short print Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. Mark Trumbo retro for the Orioles and Cole Hamels retro for the Rangers. Career stat lines. Cal Ripken Jr. numbered to 500 for the Orioles. Retro Johnny Cueto for the Giants. I think it's got a variation. Yep, see different color in it. Michael Fulmer, Rookie of the Year for the Tigers. Retro Nolan Arenado for the Rockies and Christian Yelich for the Marlins. Prospects Francis Martes for the Astros. The Prospects. Just Back to the Future relic Mark Trumbo for the Diamondbacks. Chris Bryant retro for the Cubs. Retro Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Mike Piazza for the Mets. We got a gray border. Felix Hernandez, number to 199 for the Mariners. The rookies, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. How you doing, Steve? And we got a black American Pride Team USA Seth Beer, number 7 of 25. Going to Team USA. Masahiro Tanaka Diamond King short print for the Yankees. Masahiro Tanaka retro for the Yankees. Retro Robinson Cano for the Mariners. Josh Donaldson for the Brewers. Trevor Bauer pink back for the Indians. And we got a Willie Stargell variation for the Pirates. Pops. Brian Dozier retro for the Twins. The rookies, Manuel Margot for the Padres. Or is it Margot? Retro, Joe Morgan for the Reds. We get a purple signature series autograph, Jorge Alfaro, number 15 of 25 for the Phillies. Retro, Evan Longoria for the Rays. Pedro Martinez for the Red Sox. Short print, rated rookie, Hunter Renfroe for the Padres. And we got a Kenta Maeda, Aqueous Test, number 29 of 49 for the Dodgers. Did I say Donaldson for the Brewers? I meant the Blue Jays, sorry. Retro, Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. Ryan Sandberg, SP variation for the Cubs. Yeah, that they had a product years back. People are still looking for those cards nowadays for the parallel or for the years ago cards. Retro, Nelson Cruz for the Mariners. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. The rookies, Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Dominator, number to 999, Edwin Encarnacion for the Blue Jays. Jose Altuve, retro for the Astros. We have a career stat line, Paul Goldschmidt, number to 500 for the Diamondbacks. And this is one of the variations of Chris Bryant for the Cubs. See the color difference. Retro, Robin Yount for the Brewers and Goose Gossage for the Yankees. Rated rookie, Alex Bregman for the Astros. Short print. Diamond King short print, Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Oh yeah, it's retro, Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. Retro, Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Will Myers for the Padres. Diamond King short print, Joey Votto for the Diamondbacks. And the Elite Series, Hanley Ramirez Number to 999 for the Red Sox. Retro, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Craig Biggio for the Astros. We have a gold, the rookies. Hunter Renfroe, number 26 of 99 for the Padres. And what do we have here? Red Signature Series autograph, number 41 of 99. Andrew Benintendi for the Red Sox. Nice hit. I pulled a 1 of 99 out of my case. Box number 2. Retro, Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Kyle Seager for the Mariners. The prospects, Clint Frazier for the Yankees. Brooks Robinson retro for the Orioles. You got a Hunter Renfroe blue signature series number to 199 for the Padres. Retro, Pedro Martinez for the Red Sox. Joe Morgan for the Reds. Jeff Hoffman, the rookies, for the Rockies. And we got a gray border, Jim Palmer, number to 199 for the Orioles. Retro, Evan Longoria for the Rays. Freddie Freeman, short print, Diamond Kings for the Braves. He thought he was going to go home. So the inning will continue. That's 8 hits now for Mexico. Bases loaded. Retro, Maikel Franco for the Phillies. Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. American Pride, Alex Faedo, number to 349, silver for Team USA. Short print, rated rookie, Jose De Leon for the Dodgers. Cole Hamels, retro for the Rangers. Mark Trumbo, retro for the Orioles. Short print, Diamond Kings, Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. And we have a Gavin Cecchini patch, number 11 of 25 for the Mets. Retro Johnny Cueto for the Giants. Retro Christian Yelich for the Marlins and Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Prospects Ozeno Albies for the Braves. Diamond King short print Maikel Franco blueback for the Phillies. We got a Todd Frazier pink back for the White Sox. Matt Carpenter retro for the Cardinals. And we got a Manny Machado short print variation for the Orioles. Mike Trout retro for the Angels. Chris Davis retro for the A's. Rated rookie short print Josh Bell for the Pirates. And we have our first whammy card. First, Joey Votto retro for the Reds. Diamond King short print Robinson Cano for the Mariners. And whammy Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Not numbered. I opened up a case of this, and this is the first one I've received of the whammy. We got Brad Miller, pink back for the Rays. Josh Donaldson, retro for the Blue Jays. And we got a Nolan Arenado short print variation for the Rockies. Retro Brian Dozier for the Twins. Robinson Cano for the Mariners. Prospects Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Yeah, like it's supposed to say, it says one per case on average, but I didn't get one in the last case I opened. Career stat line Francisco Lindor, numbered to 306 for the Indians. Retro Chris Bryant for the Cubs. And we got a Michael Fulmer SP variation for the Tigers. Retro, Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Mike Piazza for the Mets. Elite Series, Tyler McQuinn, number to 349 for the Indians. The rookies, Josh Bell for the Pirates. We got a career stat line, Buster Posey, number to 476 for the Giants. Retro, Albert Pujols for the Angels. And we got Chris Bryant, SP variation for the Cubs. Retro, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Corey Kluber for the Indians. Diamond King short print, Edwin Encarnacion for the Blue Jays. We have a Greg Bird patch, number 17 of 25 for the Yankees. 2 patches out of that box. Retro, Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. Retro, Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Diamond King short print, Brad Miller for the Rays. And we got a gold press proof, Francisco Lindor, number 85 of 99 for the Indians. Retro, Freddie Freeman for the Braves and Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs. Dominators, number to 349, Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. The rookies, Jose De Leon for the Dodgers. I hope it's the Dodgers. It's a Los Angeles team, so most likely the Dodgers because it looks like the color of the uniform. And we got a Clint Frazier, Promising Pros autograph relic for the Yankees. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's going to Cleveland. Cleveland, not the Yankees. Focus. Clint Frazier for Cleveland. Other cards, he's on the Yankees, so sorry about that. Tanaka, retro for the Yankees. Retro, Todd Frazier for the White Sox. Eric Hosmer for the Royals. Rated rookie short print, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. We got a season stat line, Cole Hamels, number to 332 for the Rangers. Eddie Murray, retro for the Orioles. Anthony Rizzo, short print variation for the Cubs. Retro, Madison Bumgarner for the Giants. Rugnet Odor for the Rangers. And we have a All-Star number to 349 of Johnny Cueto for the Giants. Short print, Diamond Kings, Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. And for anybody who's new, this is my Facebook page. I put all the hits up on there. You check it out. You can like it if you'd like, please. And we'll be doing 2 more breaks of this tomorrow night and Saturday night. This is box number 3. American Pride, Duran Kendall, number to 999 for the Team USA. Aaron Judge, short print, rated rookie for the Yankees. Retro, Mike Trout for the Angels. Always looking on the back because of the colors they have. Retro, Mark Trumbo for the Orioles. Joey Votto for the Reds. Diamond Kings, Mike Trout, short print for the Angels. Retro, Cole Hamels for the Rangers. And Diamond King, short print, Justin Verlander for the Tigers. And a gray border, even though it's not a border, it's background. Number to 199, Gregory Polanco, Diamond Kings. As a number. Christian Yelich, retro for the Marlins, sorry. And Johnny Cueto, retro for the Giants. And we got a gray border. Zach Britton, number to 199 for the Orioles. And we have a Wade Boggs, retro autograph, number 48 of 49 for the Red Sox. Nice. Nolan Arenado, retro for the Rockies. Prospects, Eloy Jimenez for the Cubs. And Anderson Espinoza, blue back for the Padres. Ken Griffey Jr., pink back for the Mariners. Retro, Mike Piazza for the Mets. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. And a Michael Fulmer short print variation for the Tigers. We got the Red Sox. There is a Steven that has the Red Sox, but right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different Stevens. And a Stephen. 1 Stephen, 3 Stevens in this break. Stephen Piscotty or Stephen Piscotty. Retro for the Cardinals. The rookies, Carson Fulmer for the White Sox. We got a Dominator, Gene Segura, number to 999 for the Diamondbacks. Red Signature Series, Ryan Healy autograph, number 98 of 99 for the Athletics. Retro, Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. And Eric Hosmer for the Royals. Retro, Todd Frazier for the White Sox. Rated rookie short print, Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Retro, Rougned Odor for the Rangers. Eddie Murray for the Orioles. Anthony Rizzo, short print variation for the Cubs. Madison Bumgarner retro for the Giants. Joey Votto, Diamond King short print for the Reds. You got All-Stars. Johnny Cueto, number to 999 for the Giants. Career stat line. Trevor Bauer, number to 500 for the Indians. Retro, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. And we have a Chris Bryant short print variation for the Cubs. Brian Dozier retro for the Twins. Prospects, Francis Martes for the Astros. Luis Severino relic for the Yankees. Retro, Joe Morgan for the Reds, and Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Pedro Martinez, retro for the Red Sox. The rookies, Yoan Moncada for the Red Sox. Retro, Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. Evan Longoria for the Rays. Gregory Polanco, Diamond King short print for the Pirates. No, there's a Clint Frazier. I thought it was for the Yankees, but it's for the Indians. You got a Chris Bryant, the Elite Series, number 999 for the Cubs.
This copyrighted telecast presented by authority of World Baseball Classic Inc. and may not be reproduced or retransmitted in any form, and the accounts and descriptions of this game may not be disseminated.
Let me check the Moncada. It's Boston. Whatever it says on the card, that's where it goes. Here's another one. Short print, rated rookie, Yohan Moncada for the Boston Red Sox. Maikel Franco, retro for the Phillies. Yasmani Tomas, pink parallel, pink back for the Diamondbacks. And there's a Chris Bryant variation, black and white variation for the Cubs. Retro, let me get this here. Albert Pujols for the Angels. And Corey Kluber for the Indians. Retro, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Diamond King, short print, Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. You got a Brett Ebner, promising pros relic for the A's. We got retro Kyle Seager for the Mariners and Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. I'm just going by the checklist they listed, so if they change them, I can't help it. I just copied the checklist they made. There might be a White Sox card. I'm not sure which ones, but you got retro Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Season stat lines: Cole Hamels, number to 332 for the Rangers. Prospects: Corey Ray for the Brewers. Kyle Hendricks, retro for the Cubs. Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Jonathan Villar, Diamond King, short print for the Brewers. Freddie Freeman, retro for the Braves. The rookies, Orlando Arcia for the Brewers. Retro, Chris Davis for the A's. Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. And we have a career stat line, Corey Seager, number to 500 for the Dodgers. And we got a variation, Manny Machado for the Orioles. And that is our break. 3-box break of 2017 Donruss, break number 2. Let me record.